Welcome back, it's me, Jordan, back doing some more Roblox. So I'm gonna join a survival thing. Bless the Lord, someone stay, please stay. This guy. If this next person doesn't leave, I'll help them out. Oh, don't leave, please, Yes! It feels so good. Wait, that's the guy. That's the guy who didn't want to. Is this guy? I hope he leaves him. Leave him. Dang it, I didn't get to. Okay, Midnight Road. Fine, go a minute. Hold on. Can I tell you something? Oh my god. Oh. I'm making Please, you, Dale. Okay. I actually kind of like this guy. Come on, sniper. I need to level my dude up. I need to level my dude up. I need to level this guy. This guy. Oh my god, I'm not leveling you up yet. You can get some baby guns. I'm gonna get some mini mins. What? No! Okay, it's eaten, cause we were
Stinky.
What?
You don't know that video?
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what I just said.
Uh-oh, stinky. Poop. Funny poop.
I didn't even hear what I said. Okay. I'm really liking this guy. He's just like, okay, cool. Okay, okay. Level 3. He's level 3 now. Okay. I just need to put this thing on him.
Watch.
What?
Uh-oh. Stinky poop.
Show to the camera.
Poopies. Betty poopies.
I didn't even see that. I'm gonna get a fragger out.
Tell me what you want to hear. Uh-oh,
Okay.
stinky.
What?
I'm gonna give all my secrets away this time.
Party. Wait. Join my party. Okay. Oh my god. No, I just thought I had so much money, but I don't. Wait, what? No, oh my god, I'm getting
Ooh, oh, you say I am strong.
okay. This is. I want to friend this guy. I- Oh my god, I just walked right over there. I walked myself into that mess. Get it? Worst pun I've ever made. Nuh-uh. Higher. No, I'm gonna upgrade this guy now. Yep. Just wait like a few seconds while... My god, my teammate didn't even place it. No. I didn't even think he placed anything down, but I guess he did. Wow. Shout this guy out. Shout him out. I'm shouting him out. I'm friending him. I'm friending him. I can't believe this. Yes! Let's go. I'm trying to see how many friends I can make today. Oh my god. Okay, Fragger. I need to upgrade you. No, I'm gonna upgrade someone else. 800. What? Oh yeah, I forgot about him. I'm so dumb. Oh, he can't see them. Sorry, I poor. Yes, I'm not poor anymore, but I ain't poor anymore. Okay. Wow, he has like so many trees. Too bad they don't count for me. Oh my god, how much to upgrade the... I need to upgrade him one more time. I need to. No, I'll upgrade the Fragger first. Fragger! Okay, now. No! I need to place a bunch down. I'm not poor. At least he has a commando out. It's not like... I don't even have that much time anymore. Okay. Boom. Oh no! Did I really just place that down? Okay. The one thing I need to upgrade, I'm upgrading my scout. Just wait like 5 seconds. Wait, no. I wish we can kill them for ourselves. We haven't. Still alive? Yes. Yes. Okay. I just need a little more. I can turn him into a secret agent. 800. Okay, I'll upgrade this. No! He can't see those. Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Wait, yeah, he can see those. Can he? I need more. I need more money. I need more. No. Do it. Go. Mountain Dew? That's what he gets? Mountain Dew? Like, come on. Is that the best you got? What about the Fragger? How far does the Fragger go? Seriously. I'm not upgrading this Fragger. Oh my god. Yes. Get him. Get the boss. No. We got him! We got him! Wait, can we make it a wave 20? Tell me we can make it a wave 20. I'm gonna play a couple matches with this guy, and yeah, I'll end on that note. Yeah, I'm gonna play a few more matches with him. He sounds like very, very fun. But bye.